Some stay home to stay safe during the pandemic. Survivors of domestic violence, it's another situation. They find themselves trapped in a violent situation.
KXAN's Nabil Rahman has taken a closer look at how a surge in domestic violence calls is having an impact and what survivors can do to get help.
Good morning. Yeah, absolutely. Advocacy groups describe the calls for help as a roller coaster ride during the pandemic. There are times when barely anyone was reaching out, but then times when those numbers surged. And now, as the pandemic continues, they're worried more people need help.
Domestic violence has always been an issue.
1 in 3 Texans will experience domestic violence, or somebody in their immediate family will.
The pandemic, though, making situations more difficult to deal with, says Heather Bellino with the Texas Advocacy Project.
A batterer is there because of power and control.
Rosemary Estrada-Roddy with the National Domestic Violence Hotline says when the pandemic first started in March 2020,
we didn't see an increase in our contacts, and I think that was because survivors were in close proximity with their abusers. It wasn't really safe to reach out.
But by June of 2021,
in June of this year, we actually saw a 4% increase in our contact volume, and that may have been when people were feeling a little bit more normal. They were getting back to their workplace.
Another troubling trend is the severity of the abuse.
In a pandemic situation where a lot of things are uncertain and there is a lot of isolation, that can cause the abuse to be worse.
Anecdotally, I can tell you at our office, we are doing much more severe high-risk safety planning with our clients.
That means helping them plan how to respond or prepare for future abuse. And that help is offered in a number of ways.
If it's not safe to reach out to us by phone, they can also chat or text with us.
And we've included some different ways to get help on our website, KXAN.com, and both groups tell me they are available 24/7 for help. Back to you.
Such an amazing group over at the Texas Advocacy Project. Nabil, thank you. When we dig deeper into this, the city of Austin is focused on providing a safe space for survivors of domestic violence, including families. City Council approved a project earlier this year to convert a hotel into Austin's first family violence shelter in more than a decade. The hotel will be operated by the Safe Alliance. That's a local family violence prevention organization, and it costs nearly $8 million.